Okay guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. Tonight we're at the gate to the old city. Those lights going down there, that is to the night bazaar, the biggest rip-off place in Thailand, in my opinion. I don't recommend anybody going there. It's the worst food, the most crazy prices I've ever experienced in this country. I tell you what, I was not impressed. Okay, this is the gate. Not a whole lot to see here. Right now, I drove by here the other night and there was people dancing in this parking lot. That's not a parking lot, it's a gathering area for something. There's a lot of people come here all the time. There's people here. Just to take pictures at the gate. I don't know if this is the original or not. As you can see, all the grandmas are doing selfies with the gate and with the wall. It's quite interesting. It's probably the biggest section of wall that's left. There is quite a bit of wall in places, but not this high and not this nice. People selling stuff, all these little trinket things. You get that everywhere. It's like a street market thing. You got some lady selling ice cream up here, coconut ice cream. You got the guys doing the pictures. Someone dropped his plastic cup on the ground and walked on it and didn't pick it up. Garbage can, guy in the white shirt. I know. It's 15 feet, right? Pathetic. Pathetic, people. Just look at this. That is the wall. A lot of stuff. Wow. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. He does pictures, portraits. Wow. That is something, yeah? Beautiful stuff. There's another one right here. Looks like graphite. McDonald's right there, Starbucks right here, and Burger King on the other side of the wall. This gets crazy busy, and it's busy every night. If you want to come check it out, if you're in the area, it's worth a look. I came early, so it's not busy. It gets so busy, like you wouldn't be able to use a camera. You can't move. And that don't work for me, and I'm not into that at all. Let's watch this guy. Let's see if he'll do it again. He's trying to sell it to the little boy. These things are pretty cool. I bought these a few years ago. Camera didn't really pick it up. Shoot it straight up, you can catch it when it comes down. Pretty cool. There is a knack to it, trust me. But they go up 20, 30 feet. Maybe further than that. Oh yeah, 30, 40 feet. Right back into his hand, no problem. You gonna hit me? No, no, thank you.
张华，我跟你说，过来，我跟你说，来，过来。
They're doing road construction right inside the gate, so it's a bit of a crazy area. We'll go take a look at the gate. Heavy duty. Whoa, it's got wooden wheels. See that? I don't know how old this is. That's a piece of wood though. That'd be nice. And a lot of complaints I read online is there's no plaque or anything telling you anything about this. No information available, you know? As the king. Look down here, the wall just, sorry. The wall just keeps going. Some beautiful construction. There's been a lot of problems over the years with people painting graffiti on this wall. Every year or two, somebody ends up in jail for spray painting this wall. I don't recommend doing that. It might seem like a good idea at the time. Yeah, don't do that. Have a little respect for the country. Alright guys, well that's it. Quick video, interesting place. If you're ever in the area, it's a must visit. After dark, 7, 8 o'clock. It's very, very busy. And if you really, really like it, you can stay at that place, at that hotel. Then you just gotta walk across the road. But you gotta deal with this traffic all the time. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are free. If you haven't subscribed yet, today would be a very good day to do that. Almost dark.